been assigned a Grubhub order you just can't fulfill? Don't panic. Here's how to cancel like a pro and protect your driver rating. First, tap on the order you need to cancel. This opens the order details screen where you'll see the restaurant name, delivery address, and of course, the all-important cancellation option. Now, look for a button labeled problem or sometimes can't do this order. The exact wording can vary slightly depending on your app version, so scan the screen carefully, tap that button. It's your gateway to cancellation. Next, you'll see a list of reasons for cancellation. Selecting the right reason is crucial. Are you experiencing car trouble? Is the restaurant unexpectedly closed? Or is the order simply outside of your desired delivery zone? Choose the option that best describes your situation. Tap on the reason that applies to you. Be honest. This helps Grubhub understand potential issues and improve the delivery process. Okay, you're almost there. The app will now display a confirmation screen asking, "Are you sure you want to cancel this order?" Take a deep breath and double-check that you've selected the correct reason. If you're absolutely sure, tap yes, cancel order. Just like that, the order is canceled. You will then be able to continue delivering for Grubhub. Successfully canceling orders when necessary keeps both you and Grubhub running smoothly. Remember, honesty and clarity are your best friends when handling cancellations. Now, go get those deliveries.